Let's post our very own NFT on Opensea. Hey there, my name is Joshua Marchant and I'm an NFT creator. In my last video, I showed you step by step on how to create your very own Opensea profile. In this video, we are going to go step by step to post your own NFTs. Okay, welcome back to Opensea. Now before we can post your NFT, we need to decide if this NFT you're posting is part of a collection or a standalone NFT. If it is a part of a collection, then we need to set up the collection first before posting the NFT. So on your own profile, click the little circle icon. It's right after the search bar at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click My Collections. This page is where you will create categories known as collections that you will post your NFTs to. Click the button called Create a Collection. Your MetaMask wallet or other digital wallet will pop up. Now click the Sign button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Anytime you post anything or make any kind of changes to your profile, this window will pop up. You must click the Sign button to move forward. This means you approve the changes that are about to be made. Once you have given your sign of approval, we can create the collection. You will be asked a series of questions that must be answered in order to create the collection. Because once you have created this collection, Opensea creates a new page on your profile. So the first questions are going to be about posting pictures, a banner, feature, and logo picture. Next, give this collection a name and a short description about it, so that buyers can be informed about what this collection of NFTs are about. Pick an NFT category and post the links to all your social media, like a website, Discord, Instagram, and Telegram. If you don't have these set up, you can skip this part. Now, when you create an NFT, you can set up a royalty fee that you get every time your NFT is resold. It can be anywhere between 0% and 50%. But on Opensea, the highest you can go is 10%. I will talk more about other sites that you can input a higher royalty fee later in the series. Next, you must decide what blockchain you want your collection of NFTs to be minted to. I personally use Polygon on Ethereum, and sometimes I use Solana. If you don't know what it is I am talking about, don't worry, I will go over blockchain soon. Or if you don't want to wait, check out Crypto Casey on YouTube. I am not affiliated with her, this is just how I learned. Okay, the last two questions are about style of cover photos for all the NFTs posted to this collection, and whether any of the NFTs in this collection have explicit or sensitive content. Then finally, click Create. You have now created a new collection on Opensea. In my next video, I will show you how to fill this new collection with your own NFTs. See you next time on What the Hell is an NFT? I want to point out that these videos are for educational purposes only and are not meant to be financial advice. Make sure before you invest in any NFTs or crypto, you do your own research.